Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome emoji like video animation in CapCut PC. Go to text, add in your default text, and go to the keyboard or copy and paste in any emojis that you'd like to add to your text, I guess. Let me try that again. There you go. Okay, so then I'm just going to copy and paste that. If I can just copy and paste it and kind of like move it like this. Then again a few times. You don't have to, but I'm just going to copy and paste it a few times. Like so. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to select everything, right click, create compound clip, and I'm going to scale that up. Then I'm going to select animation, and I'm going to select the animation that I want. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.